Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we will be discussing about Bitcoin and other crypto pairs, where we will be discussing about Bitcoin, Ethereum and Solana. So that is what will be our main focus for from nowadays. Again, after a very long time, we are going to start these sessions where we will be discussing and analyzing the different pairs in crypto and metals as well as forex. So let's get into it. First of all, when we are going to talk about Bitcoin is actually standing at its peak in this almost last 3 weeks. So actually there is a range between 98,000 and 94,800. So almost ये 4,000 का जो points का जो range बनी हुई है उसी के बीच में ऑलमोस्ट लास्ट 3 वीक्स में ये ट्रेड हो रहा है, और हम काफ़ी अरसे से देख रहे हैं कि इससे बाहर नहीं आ रहा है. एटलीस्ट इन लास्ट वीक it got out from that range, but it didn't have any closing, and in the next 4 hours it actually went inside the same range, which is a consolidation area. तो अभी उसी के साथ साथ जैसे ही हमें कोई क्लैरिटी मिलती है, of course we are just waiting for an clarity when the market prices will go upward or downward, and will give us a breakout where we will be confirming a valid breakout, and then we will be entering into any kind of other positions. In other cases, if you want to have any kind of trade, for example here, so I would recommend that for the day traders to be very careful around the level of 99,000, and you should be having a very strict stop losses. With a very strict stop losses, definitely you can take the entries where you will be short selling from here. You can have the short selling from here because it is it has a history now for at least 3 weeks. So जो डे ट्रेडर्स हैं उनके लिए तो एक अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है यहाँ पे शॉर्ट सेलिंग करने के लिए, एटलीस्ट 96,000 और 94,800 के लेवल को मद्देनज़र रखते हुए. सो इफ़ यू वांट टू हैव दैट शॉर्ट काइंड ऑफ profit target, so definitely you can go for that. Otherwise I would recommend that I hope that the market will be moving toward bullish side, and from here it will be very certain कि मार्केट को हमें कोई ना कोई ब्रेकआउट दें अप साइड में, और वहाँ से एक बुलिश रैली का जो है वो जो शुरुआत है that is going to start. So first of all, what will be happening from here, what we are thinking actually from here, कि मार्केट यहाँ पे हमें एक ब्रेकआउट देगी, एंड देन इट विल बी हैविंग अ रीटेस्ट, and then we will first achieve 102,000 level, and then the second level will be around 105, 106,000. That is the level we are expecting from here. The market is definitely going to give us that levels, and I am hoping. The second thing is very important, that Trump was also talking about Bitcoin, and he was forming his comments about the importance and actually transferring the American economy into the Bitcoin. The major role of the Bitcoin is going to be played, and that is what actually inspiring the Bitcoin to go up again. And at this time, if we are seeing 98,000 after in this very week, and this huge bullish rally of almost like $5,000, so that is actually the major part which has played a little bit role. तो हमारे पास ये ऑप्शंस होंगी अभी तक के लिए. उसके बाद अगर हम इसमें क्योंकि अभी अगर आप बिटकॉइन में देखें तो इससे ज़्यादा कुछ भी नहीं है. ऑफ कोर्स एक रेंज बाउंड एरिया है, जब तक उसमें से निकलता नहीं है, व्हेन until we are not going to get out of that consolidation period, definitely we can't talk much about that. And then same situation is with Ethereum. Ethereum was having a lot of pressure, under pressure performing, and we don't think that at this time we are going to have very successful trading from here, because actually I think it is under a lot of pressure, where we can see that in last I think 2 weeks before, almost 3 weeks before, let me check. Okay, so it is almost like 3 weeks before we have seen that it has posted around 2150 के रीजन तक इसने मार्केट ने हमें एक जो है वो ड्रॉप दिया था, and that was a scary drop. Of course, that was a very scary drop, and we were not expecting such kind of things. Of course, a trader is not expecting such kind of thing, you know, where you are seeing the market prices from almost 3100 to 2100, it's almost like 33% of a drop in a single 2 days. So that was a scary, and after that you can see even the people who have been stuck, if they have not been following our strategy of first of all, if you are not with stop loss, definitely you are still stuck now. And the second thing, if you are not going with less liquidity, I mean using low liquidity, definitely then that is a big problem again. और उसके साथ साथ अगर आपने उसके साथ अगर एवरेज नहीं किया, एक बंदा जो है वो इसमें बहुत लो लेवल की जो आप मार्जिन यूज़ करके ट्रेडिंग नहीं कर रहे, और उसके बाद आपने वो अपने एवरेज नहीं की प्राइसेस को यहाँ पे इस रीजन में around 2200 2300 के रीजन में, तो डेफिनेटली यू आर स्टिल स्टक देयर, एंड दैट इज़ अ स्केरी पॉइंट. बट होपफुली विद द हेल्प ऑफ बिटकॉइन, अथेरियम भी हमारे पास थोड़ी सी रिकवरी देगा, और यहाँ से अगर हमें रिकवरी देता है तो देन वी विल बी सीइंग अराउंड 3100 के रीजन तक हमें एटलीस्ट प्राइसेस को मिलना चाहिए. फर्स्ट इज द लेवल वुड बी 3000 एंड देन सेकंड लेवल बी 3200. सो 3200 और 3000 का लेवल जो है वो हमारे पास आने वाले दिनों में निकल सकते हैं. दैट इज़ व्हाट वी विल बी आइंग ऑन, एंड आल्सो दैट इज़ व्हाट इज़ एक्सपेक्टेड फ्रॉम द मार्केट, एंड आई होप दैट यू पीपल विल गेट समवेयर देयर, एंड योर ट्रेड विल बी आल्सो I mean, you will be in profit in your trade, and that is what we are expecting from here. And then you talk about Solana. Actually, Solana was being considered as the best opportunity as compared to Ethereum, but Solana is doing something very dramatic, even scarier than Ethereum as well, because Ethereum at least it was standing somewhere, and it is also has given us a recovery, but Solana is not giving us any kind of recovery, and even in the last week it has given us another low point जो कि हमें 160 के पास आता है, और वो low point that was a scary, and also I mean it is also breaking, I mean it is just breaking the backbone of the traders, and also their accounts again being liquidated. That is definitely a thing which you have to understand when you are going to trade crypto markets. Definitely you have to be very careful, you have to be very strict discipline, and that's all. Because first of all, the thing is that if you are doing trades in crypto, definitely you are going to get a lot of movements, and that is also a good reason to earn a lot of money, but you have to manage your account properly, and also you have to go with some proper strict rules which you must follow, and unless you don't wanna survive in the market. So अगर तो आप मार्केट में सर्वाइव करना चाहते हैं तो आपको उसी के तरह के जो रूल्स हैं उनको फॉलो करना पड़ेगा. स्टॉप लॉस के रूल्स जो हैं, एवरेज के रूल्स जो हैं, उसके साथ साथ आपको जो है वो अपनी लिक्विडेशन जो है वो उसको मैक्सिमम लो पॉइंट पे रखना पड़ेगा. तो अगर तो आप ये चीज़ें करते हैं तो डेफिनेटली यू आर गोइंग टू गेट यू आर गोइंग टू सर्वाइव, अदरवाइज थिंग्स आर गोना गो इन अनदर वे. तो यहाँ पे अगर हम बात करें आज के दिन में, क्योंकि हम काफ़ी अरसे बाद आए हैं, तो पिछली भी मार्केट्स को कुछ कवर करना था, एंड आई होप दैट यू आर नॉट गेटिंग बोर्ड फ्रॉम हियर. एंड हियर द मार्केट scenario is very scary for Solana. Of course, if we are going to have a bullish movement in Ethereum, Bitcoin, then definitely it's going to help Solana as well to get recovered from this point. Otherwise, the problem here is that we are below this level now. We are below 180 level, and if we are below this level, and of course, even if we are below 177 level, then that is a scary point for the Solana, because now we are below all the supports, and now all those supports have turned into resistances, and it is very difficult for now markets to recover from here. So that is a scary part. I wouldn't recommend from here any kind of buying And I think if you want, you can have the sell side unless the market, until the market will go around 182. अगर इस सीजन में आते तो यहाँ पे आप short sell कर सकते हैं, but you have to keep in mind about the prices of Bitcoin, that if it will start getting recovered from here and the market will start in bullish side, then definitely you have to change your plans in the Solana as well. तो यहाँ पे अगर हमें recovery मिलती है and in case we are going to go above, yes, above 190, above 190 जाने के बाद then we can think of any kind of recovery in the market. और उसी के साथ साथ हमें फिर दोबारा जो नए टारगेट्स मिलेंगे अपसाइड में वो हम देख सकते हैं. इस वक्त हमारे पास रेजिस्टेंस लेवल है जो कि प्ले कर रहा है अराउंड 177, 177 का लेवल जो है वो हमारे पास पहली रेजिस्टेंस है, दूसरी रेजिस्टेंस 144 पर है और तीसरी रेजिस्टेंस जो है हमें 190 पर है. 190 का लेवल जब क्रॉस करेगा तो देन यू कैन थिंक ऑफ trading upside. And second of all, you can see from here the trend line which we were having, a bullish trend line, that has been broken. And if you just imagine that if it will come here, the prices will even come here around 194, and then it will, after a retesting, the prices start dropping, and then finally after this point 160 का जो लो है हमारा, जो अभी रिसेंट लगा के मार्केट ऊपर जा रही है, तो अगर ये वाला लो ब्रेक होता है तो यू कैन थिंक दैट हाउ द मार्केट इज गोइंग टू प्ले इट्स रोल एंड मे बी इट विल बी मूविंग फॉरवर्ड टुवर्ड 160, 120. So that's why it's very scary. I wouldn't recommend any kind of trade right now in this pair, and I think you should wait until we get above 200, at least 200, or maybe at least we should have a kind of build up where we will be getting an indication about all the markets to get recovered from here. So thank you very much for being with us. I hope that you people have a little bit understanding of the whole markets and the whole scenarios of last 3 weeks. And from tomorrow we are going to update you on the daily basis, and also we will be discussing about every day's performance. So thank you very much. Have a good day. Take care of yourself and subscribe our YouTube channel, like our videos if you like to be with us, and also if you like the way we are telling you, the way we are explaining everything, and I hope that it will help you out in your trading journey.